and that's where we are now. So I'll tell you what happened. So after the birth, the next story, there is Max sleeping. After the birth, Max was born 2.680 kilo. They said he's gonna be 2.3 something, but actually he came out a bit bigger, which is really good thing. But since he's born, he did feed once on me, breastfed him once, twice, and then since then he's been refusing to breastfeed. He's been refusing to eat, and all he does is he's sleeping, and it's so hard to wake him up. I'm still in the hospital because he just refuses to eat, and he needs to eat every 2-3 hours because otherwise he won't gain any weight, and he needs to gain some weight. And not only that, but he needs to eat more often because his tummy is small. And yeah, that's what's happening now. So now they're gonna keep me till he actually start eating properly. We gave him some formula with the midwife, which makes him vomit and poop really black poop, but that's normal. But let's see. I have not slept since he's born. I slept only for 1 hour, 1.5 hours, and that's all the sleep I got. I feel okay. They had to stitch me as well because when he was coming out, he didn't want to come out, he was going back in. So they had to cut me so he can come out, and now I have few stitches, but the pain is like I didn't take any painkillers after that. It's not that bad, especially after what I've been through with the contractions, so for me that's nothing. And yeah, baby daddy is coming today for 3 hours. He's allowed to be here. I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to take him back home because the thing is he needs to be able to eat properly, so they won't let me out before he actually starts doing that. And yeah, that's what's happening after the birth. They just did the hearing for him, and his hearing is fine on both ears. And here in in Queen's Alexandra Hospital in Colchester, Portsmouth, the whole staff has been amazing, and I want to say thank you so much. You've done so good, and if it was the teamwork is incredible, and everyone is so lovely and so helpful. I don't know what I would have done if I went home straight away after the birth, because having first kids, it's on your own. Like my boyfriend, he's got one daughter, so I'm relying on him. But if I had to be on my own with firstborn kids, I don't know what I would have done. So I want to say well done to all the single mommies, and for the first time mommies, you are doing really good, and you're really brave woman of going through that by yourself. Keep going like that, and God bless you. Hey guys, so today is Maxwell's second day. Is it second or third? I've lost track. We've been through so much. Okay, so what happened after he was born? You already seen the blog that he didn't want to eat, so they decided to do some more tests, and then in the end he ended up in there. So he's been in there for the past, I think today is going to be 24 hours. And they start giving him some and they start giving him some medication, some antibiotics, just in case if he's got some infection. Because they've tested him. There's every few hours they take blood from him. They measure his blood sugar, so everything shows perfectly fine body temperature. But since he got in there, he was able to feed from me, and now he's feeding from me plus a formula, which is really good. It's been a rough 24 hours, and due to COVID, my boyfriend is not allowed to stay with us in the hospital, so he's allowed to come only for 3 hours per day, and managed to sleep the night before 1 hour, and then last night I slept a little bit more, to twice 1 hour each, because I was more comfortable when he's in that box, because I can feel he's getting better, and it makes me really happy. And you know, when they say mother feeling, I think that is real, guys, because before he started feeling on from me, I had that feeling he's getting better. And then my best friend called me, she's got 2 little kids, and I told her what's happening, and then all I needed probably was just confidence to that I'm a mom and that I'm not doing anything wrong. And I think my baby felt it, and he started breastfeeding straight away after I stopped talking. I came off the phone from from talking with my best friend. I decided to give it a go again with breastfeeding him, and he started sucking straight away. So I'm really happy. Now we're waiting to see what they said. They might take him out of the box tonight if everything is okay. We're waiting for results, and hopefully by tomorrow we can be out of here and start our normal family life. Yeah. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I will keep you posted in my next vlogs. Love you.